going on, guys? Mr. Tightlines here. First tournament of the year for me, in person. We've done a few online ones, but this is the first one in person. And I don't know, here we go. I've been making my own baits. You'll be seeing a lot of that soon. I'm going to be videoing the whole process and my thoughts on swim baits, etc. But here we are, Wicwas Lake in New Hampshire. Hopefully you're seeing this because that means I caught a fish. Sitting out here on the water gives me a little time to reflect before the tournament starts, and I keep watching fish go under me on my sonar, and the geese want to come through and say hi. Say hi, geese. Hi, geese. Man, this COVID thing really sucked, but I learned how to make wooden baits during that time down. I think I did a pretty damn good job too. Not trying to be egotistical. They work. I've caught one that was teetering on 6 pounds and 3 other 5s just in the last month. Then month before that, I caught a few other 5s, all on my frog and my crawler, my rat. I just caught a 414 on my rat just the other night. It's been one heck of a journey. I have 5 baits now. It's mind-blowing to think, man, I make 5 baits. If I need to repair them, I can do it. If I want to change the paint job, I can do it. If I want to make another bait, I can do it. It's really lit a fire in my belly. The response has been tremendous. I've had so many messages, and I promise I'll try to get a bait in every single one of your hands. This is something I do on the side in between when I actually have to do my other job, spring, summer, and fall. But between the end part of fall and the beginning part of spring, I'll be able to churn tons out because my job slows way down. But also in my random spare time, I like to fish my lures. So, which is good for you guys because then I get to test it a little bit more and do a little more research and development, even though I know you guys want them anyways. It's nice to get some thoughts on the water. Anyways, give me some time to reflect. We got 19 minutes. Fish keep going under my radar. And we're gonna start soon. I'm gonna cast right at that laydown. Then I'm gonna go work my way down here a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn around and hopefully do this line if it's not too windy. But if it's too windy, I'm heading across the lake and I'm gonna get away from the wind. It's gonna be a long day. Well, I guess I didn't get skunked. That's funny. "12.5 inches. All right, man. I'm gonna fish on here.
Yes, me as well.
Good luck to you.
Yes, you as well.
Don't get too far from the launch.
Yeah, what time is it?
That's, monitor that. It's 10:25, 26. Oh. Yep. Oh, that's a good fish. Dude, that is a tank. James, holy crap. Oh my God, this is a 5+. Senko. Senko. This thing's huge, man. So fitting, my GoPro dies the battery just as I catch this huge fish on a Senko. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh, that's big. Oh my God. This thing is a mammoth. God. Oh man. Wow. What a fish. Oh. James, it's a beast, dude. Freaking total beast. Yes, 20.5 inches. We'll get a weight on her. £5, held on 5 pounds. Yes. 5 pounds on a weighted wacky rig rubber worm. Come on, girl. There she goes. There we go. They're small. Might be 12 inches though. That should be 12. The question is going to be whether he lets me measure him or not. All right, there he goes. Oh, you're good luck, dog. I like you. He's good luck. Can I take him for a ride? You are exactly 12 inches. Oh my goodness. Oh. We doubled up. Oh my God, there's no way that's 12 inches. Be 12 inches. You're pretty long. You may just as well. You may just be 12 inches. I think so. Yep, just squeaking it. Just hitting 12. It is exactly, that's 2. That was exactly 12 inches.
So far it's Chris, Ed, and probably Matt.
Yeah. I tried like hell today, Chris. Not even.
Oh, I tried till 9:30 and then I went, all right, time for the Senko. I gave it 9:30, man.